Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to clear Safari browsing history on iPhone. So step 1, go to settings, and then return to this settings page. Now scroll down looking for apps. This is it. And then here look for Safari. If you have multiple apps or lots of apps, just search here, type Safari, and this is it. Click on it. And now scroll all the way to the bottom, and you will see clear history and the website data. Below history and the website data, click on it. And here you can select clear time frame, for example, all history. And you can also go with close all tabs and click on clear history. And as you see, no more history and the website data to clear. And this is how to permanently clear Safari data, history data on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.